The Honorable Chief Minister. This is the budget presented by the Honorable Chief Minister in the presence of the Deputy Chief Minister and all the House. Whatever the guarantees we have given at the election time and in our manifesto, it totally fulfilled with a sufficient revenue. He has balanced one of the best Chief Minister and a Finance Minister. The 14th budget he has today presented, I think without any problem, we can run the government, we can spend the money. That is the arrangement, that is the knowledge he has got it. There is no problem, there is no dearth of money, that everything is managed properly. And it's one of the best budget. And this is the budget for the common people, social justice, farmers, industrialists. Common people can save in this budget.